push-up, 30 seconds. Move it. Feet up. I know your heart rate's up. This is how we push ourselves to a new level, right? Come on, go. Don't give up. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe, breathe. Breathe, breathe. Move. Down. I know. Not up. Oh, this is easy stuff. Compared to what we just did. Bring it out. Come on. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Get down. Touch your rebounder. Come back up.